Good afternoon. Today we will have a video on packet trace activity 1 to manage a connected factory system. Okay, so we have a packet tracer file. So I already opened the file. Okay, when you open the file, it will be empty. Okay, so when you open that file, I'll show you what will be look like. This is the file. When you open it, it will be empty. Just I will open for you. So I'm opening this. When you open this file, it will be empty and will show you guest. There you have to change the guest and write your name, say Shahad, okay, and write email ID, then click OK. Then only you can work on it. Okay, so I already opened it, so I will open that file. I already opened it, and for the time being I added some devices because to save the time, otherwise it will take a lot of time. Okay, so first thing is when you open it will be empty, but you have to add like this. Okay, so here how I add devices, see here, add the following devices to logical workspace. IoT devices or components: humidifier, humidity monitor, temperature monitor, fan, window, battery, wind turbine. How do we add these devices into the workspace? Okay, this is a workspace. I already added. How we add is, Mr. Go here, type. If I am asking you humidity monitor, so type humid HUM. So you go here, it will be humidifier here. So add here. Then humidity monitor, drag and drop. Then if I ask you humidity sensor, drag and drop, and change the name here. Okay, I didn't ask this sensor, that's why I'm deleting this one. Okay, how do we delete? Just click this and delete. That's all. Okay, like that you have to. This is for choosing devices and dragging and dropping. Okay, selecting like this. I added humidifier, humidity monitor, temperature monitor, fan, window, battery, wind turbine, everything added. Now I added laptop and server. Yes, I can see on laptop and server. Change the name also. Then I ask you to add a switch and access point. So I added the switch already. Now access point. Access point is like a wireless router. Okay, so I'll go here and type access. So many access point. I will take the first one. Okay, I will drag and drop the first one, access point. Okay, just write this name as, say, AP. Okay, access point. So now you know how to drag and drop the devices into the topology or packet tracer workspace. Okay, now what I will do is go back to the question. Add fast Ethernet adapter to humidifier, humidity monitor, temperature monitor, fan and window. Mr. Why you are adding fast Ethernet adapter? I want to connect these humidifier, humidity monitor, temperature monitor, fan, window into switch. Okay. Next step I will ask you, connect humidity monitor, temperature monitor, humidifier. Then I think only this. Okay. What about what are things you have to add? Humidifier, I have to add fast adapter to humidifier, humidity monitor, temperature, fan, window. Okay, I'm going to add fast Ethernet adapter. Okay, so here I'm taking fan. I'll delete this one. Okay, because I already added this one. Okay, so delete this one. I'm adding these two again. Okay, for showing you. Okay, so fan I'll add here, and I will write the name as fan. Okay, capital first. Okay, capital fan. Also battery, just to show you how to add device. Okay, so sometimes they will ask you, how you add. Okay, that's right. Okay, now what they told, no, add fan, humidifier, humidity monitor, temperature monitor with fast Ethernet adapter. Okay, so I'll go here. When I take the fast Ethernet cable, there is no F means fast Ethernet, that port is not available. So what I will do is, how do we add a fast Ethernet port for a device? Okay, the question is, see the question, add fast Ethernet adapter to humidifier, humidity monitor, temperature monitor, fan, window. I will add in one device, remaining you can see. Okay, so I will add in the fan, click the device, and here go to advanced, click advanced. Okay, when you click advanced, IO config option will come. Okay, in this IO config, network adapter, this is W, 1W means wireless. Okay, I want to make this wired fast ethernet. So when I choose, I have to go down and choose CFE, fast ethernet cable. Okay, copper fast, that's why CFE, remember fast ethernet, FE means fast ethernet. This is giga, this is fast ethernet. Click this. Now close this. Then you will get fast ethernet here. Let me check here. Fast ethernet. Like that, I added fast ethernet for humidity monitor, humidifier, temperature monitor, window and all. Okay. So that's the step done. Second step done. Now change wireless settings of access point, set SSID to factory, authentication to WPA to PSK, password factory pass. So if you are going to connect a device to wireless access point or wireless router, for security reasons you have to mention the name of the wireless network, SSID, then you have to mention the encryption technique. Here I am using WPA to PSK. The key should be shared. The key or password is factory pass. Okay. How do we configure is, go to the packet tracer, wireless access point, open it. There are two, go to config, two ports, port 0 and port 1. Port 0 is for connecting wired. Okay. Port 1 for wireless. So go to port 1. SSID is by default I changed that to factory given in the question paper, factory. And the authentication is WPA to PSK. So we have to share a key. Okay, that key already given as factory pass. Okay, so give the SSID factory and authentication technique you have to choose WPA to PSK. Factory pass is the password. This is already given in the question paper. See, wireless settings, SSID factory, authentication WPA to PSK, passphrase factory pass. Okay, now make a wireless connection from battery and wind turbine to access point. Okay, that means connect battery and turbine to access point. Remaining all you should keep it away. Now for the access point you have to connect only turbine and battery. So first we need to check whether these devices have wireless interface or port or not. Okay, just open battery, go to config. Yes, I have wireless. Click wireless. There in the SSID part you have to configure the SSID of access point, any factory, and in the authentication choose WPA to PSK, which you already choose in the access point, and the passphrase already be configured as factory pass. Okay, done. Now it will be connected soon. Now wind turbine, same thing. Wind turbine, go to config. See, there is only fast ethernet. I cannot connect a wireless device. So what should I do? Here also I want to add a new interface. I have to go to advanced. IO config is coming now. Here instead of CFE, fast ethernet MAFI, I want wireless W. Click W. So remember, in that whenever you have one interface missing, means go to click the device, advanced, then choose IO config, and there will be a drop down menu in the network adapter. From there you want to choose, if I want fast ethernet cable, CFE, if I want wireless, W. Here I want wireless, so W. After choosing W, go to config. Now you can see fast ethernet replace and we have wireless now. Go to wireless. SSID, as we already configured in the which one access point, we'll make it as factory, and authentication is factory. What was that? I forget. Okay, factory pass. Factory pass. Okay, so that the same you have to mention here, factory pass. Okay, done. Now fast forward button here, it will be making the turbine to connect to the access point quicker. Okay, faster. After that this also done. Now make a wireless connection from battery and wind turbine to access point. Class done. Now connect humidifier, humidity monitor, temperature monitor, fan, windows, laptop, access point, port 0, and server to switch. Now what I will do, Remaining all devices including the access point you have to connect to switch. So I'll take switch, only have wired fast Ethernet connection or giga connection. There is no wireless in switch. So take a straight through cable, start from the server fast Ethernet. I can choose 0 bar 1. Next, from the access point, port 0 only mojud. Port 1 already wireless connected. So port 0 for wired connect to 0 bar 2. Then for laptop connect to switch 0 bar 3. And for fan connect to switch port FA 0 bar 4. For humidifier you can choose any port, okay. Fast Ethernet for humidifier all devices no fast Ethernet, but in this switch you can choose 0 bar 1, 0 bar 2, any one, no issue. Humidity monitor again fast Ethernet port, go here FA 0 bar 6. And temperature monitor also FA 0 bar, okay, then go for FA 0 bar 7. Now first it will be amber orange symbol, it takes some time, so you have to click fast forward and it will become green color soon. Okay, now it is the ports are active now. Okay, now after that what we need to configure the server, assign IP address for server and subnet mask to the server. Okay, so I'll go to the server. This is a server where you will configure IP. Go to desktop, IP configuration. IP address is static. When you are giving manually, it is static. Whenever you are getting automatically DHCP, but here we are giving manually. Always in the server we give manually. 122.16.30.1 I guess. Mask is 2553 times dot 0. So let me check the IP address again. 172.70 is correct. Okay, now enable DHCP on the server. Following parameters to be set on the server pool, starting IP and subnet mask. Okay, I'll go here in the server services DHCP mojud, it is disabled, make it on. Already a server pool is there. What they told, make the start IP 172.16.30.2 subnet mask inside. Now you are not going to add a pool, you are editing the existing pool, so don't click add, it will show error. So go for save only, because already the pool is there, so no need to add, just click save button. Okay, just we enable the DHCP service button, then we have given the starting IP 172.16.30.2 and 255.255.250 as a mask. Okay, from where you get missed is not magic missed, it is there in the question paper. I will also give the same as an IP address mask already done. Now DHCP you have to enable and set the parameters on the existing pool. I'm not asking you to create a new pool, existing pool. Okay, start IP subnet mask. Now enable IoT service on server, enable DHCP on humidifier, humidity monitor, temperature, everything. So enable IoT service, go to server again, server, you enable DHCP. Now I am asking you enable IoT, go to service IoT, Mafi enable, go and click on button, now it will be enabled. Okay, after that what they are telling is enable DHCP on humidifier, humidity monitor, temperature monitor, fan, laptop, server. No need, this is server, no, because server itself is DHCP. Okay, so no need of doing this in server up to laptop. Okay, so what I will do, I'll go here, humidity monitor first, config, goes to fast Ethernet, DHCP. Then wait for a few seconds, you will get IP. Okay, now humidifier also, go to config, fast Ethernet, DHCP, you will get IP here. Okay, now fan, config, FA 0 bar 0 or FA 0 DHCP 172.16.30 dot something. Okay, because the DHCP pool start with 172.16.30.2, that's why. Here also fast Ethernet FA 0 DHCP. Laptop also, okay, we have configured DHCP in the server, we give DHCP pool then we enable IoT service, then we have enabled the DHCP option in the computer, temperature monitor, humidity monitor, humidifier, fan, all getting IP in the range 172.60.30 dot something. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Okay. Okay, sorry, window also. Window also, I think part of this one, right? Let me check. Window also. Okay, so here, see, where is that? Enable DHCP and window also. So go here. Window also. I think we didn't connect window. So connect this window. First Ethernet first of all. Switch. Row bar 8. Now this one. Now open this one. Config. FA0. DHCP. FA0 then DHCP here. Okay. Get IP. Last done. Now what next is confirm devices have IP address. So IP address, the range is 172.16.30.x. X means it may be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 like that. Okay. Now open the browser on laptop to connect to server IP address. Create 2 account on server for IoT. Okay. Open the browser of laptop to connect to server IP. So what I will do, I am going to laptop. I am going to open the browser. And I will type the IP address of server in this browser window. Then I want to create 2 accounts for IoT. Okay, so just open the browser. That browser opening will take some time. Server. Just I will click 2-3 times. Now it's coming. Now here you have to type the IP address of server. I already know I configured the IP address of server as assign IP address 172.16.30.1. This is the IP address of server. Don't try this one. This is the DHCP pool. Last time one student, very good student, but what mistake she made is in the browser she is typing this IP DHCP starting. She should type the IP address of server. If you have confusion, go to the server, go to desktop, see the IP in the server 172.16.30.1. This one you have to copy, go to laptop again, in the browser, paste, go. Now we didn't create any username password for IoT. So for that what you should do, 2 username password, one is PS, another one warehouse. So create 2 username and passwords. Okay, first one I'll create here, sign up now. First sign up button, then create. So PS create, done. Now go back again, sign up now. What is the next username password? Warehouse, password also same, warehouse, create. So 2 username passwords created. Okay, username PS, password PS, user 2 username PS, password warehouse. Now register IoT devices to server, humidifier, humidity monitor, temperature monitor, registered to account 1, and fan, window, battery, wind turbine to account 2. Okay, so humidifier, humidity monitor, we have 2 accounts now. One is PS, another one warehouse. So first 4 device, humidity modifier, humidifier, monitor, and temperature monitor. These 3 should be registered with account 1, yani PS. How do we register? Go here, humidity monitor, go to IO config, come back to config. Then you can see IoT server, none or home gateway or remote server. No, I have a IoT server, remote, so it is remote server. If I have home gateway device, wireless device instead of server means you will choose home gateway. But I have a server here, so choose server. Okay. Then what is the IP of server? We already know 172.16.30.1. Now they ask you to register these 3 devices in the account PS. So username PS, password PS. Once you click connect button, if it is connected properly, it will show refresh. If refresh not coming means this device is not registered in the server. Now you can go here and check. Okay, they will do later. Okay, first I will connect these things. Okay, now go to temperature monitor, same thing, go to IO config, come back to config. You could see remote server, 172.16.30.1. Username password they asked me to add is PSPS, which already there. PSPS, very important is spelling. Okay, don't make spelling mistake, it will not connect. Now it is connecting. You will get refresh button. Yes, now this third one, humidifier. Again, I will config, come back to config, remote server 172.16.30.1. Now PS connect. Once it is connected, it will show refresh. Okay. Now what they're telling the remaining device, fan, window, laptop, what else? Fan, window, battery, and wind turbine, not laptop. Okay, fan, battery, window, and wind turbine to account to any warehouse. Okay, so I'll go here. I'll take the fan, go to your config, come back to config, remote server 172.16.30.2, warehouse. W username is warehouse, password also warehouse. Okay, so copy this one, paste, connect. If it's connected, refresh will come. No, I think server address is 30.1. That's why by mistake I put 30.2. Just done. Now window also. Window also go to IO config. Config come back. Now you can see remote server 172.16.30.1. Username warehouse, password also warehouse, connect. Yes, it will come now. Refresh. Now wind turbine also, go to IO config, come back to config, go to remote server 172.16.30.1 server IP. Now warehouse username, warehouse password, connect. Done. Battery also. Go to remote server 172.1. Now warehouse connect. Refresh. Okay, now we connected devices. Now use web browser on laptop to log into server with account 1 credentials and monitor the reading or status of registered device. Okay, every device. So we have to log in with the server account 1 username password, then account 2. So first go to the again laptop. See, I have to go back here. Now I will give username. First account is PSPS. Okay, I'll go here in the laptop. I'll give username PS, password also PS. Now I log in. I could see 3 devices. Humidity monitor, its status values, sensor will be 55, and the temperature is 0 degrees. Okay, humidifier, it's showing red color. Okay, status. Okay, now go back to the another account. Okay, another account is warehouse. Okay, I'll copy this warehouse username, go to laptop, warehouse. Now sign in. You could see 4 devices connected. Now what they are asking is apply the condition. If battery is less than 30%, turn off the fan and open the window. Okay, battery is less than 30%. I'll just copy paste this for easy finish. Okay, otherwise it will take some lot of time. Okay. So Control C. What I will do in this, I have condition. See, in this account I have condition. Click conditions. I'll click add button. Copy paste the condition. Okay, now if battery level, this is if. Okay, if battery available power is, what is that, less than 30. Okay, less than 30, turn off the fan, open the window. Less than 30, then action, what should I do? Fan status off and window open. Okay, window on is true. Okay, take this screenshot, because once sometimes what happen, no, once you do the condition, no, sometimes condition will not appear here, but it works properly. So once you did the condition, you have to take the screenshot and put in the word file. So I just click the OK button. See, it is not coming. Sometimes it happens, but actually it works. Okay, sometimes it not work. So you have to take the which one, some picture. Okay, now again add another condition. What is the condition? Else part means it is battery is greater than 30. Greater than 30 means turn on the fan, close the window. Okay, this is less than 30. Otherwise else means above 30, above or equal to 30. So battery is greater than or equal to 30, equal to 30. Okay, I'll write here battery greater, available power is greater than or equal to 30. Turn, sorry, window on false, any window should be closed. Again, so click this plus button to add one more condition. Okay, action, fan status high. Again, before clicking the OK button, you have to take the screenshot. Sometimes the conditions will not appear here, so take the screenshot. Okay, now let's see that output. See, it is less, battery is less than 30. That's why the fan and window, fan is not running, window is closed. Okay, whenever it is above 30, these two will work. Okay, so let me check the battery value. Can I check the battery value here? Let me check. Go back to home, the server. Battery is 50%, so it should be running, right? So the condition will work. Okay, so I have to wait for the condition to trigger, then only these things will work. Okay, so again it will check again. Let me check the conditions. I think the conditions we already added, but it's not displayed there. Okay, so you can try that. Whenever the condition or that value triggers, it will get the output. Okay, we'll wait for that. Okay, everything is done now as of now. Oh, this is that which one, first activity. Okay,